7-figure commission system. Push button done for you system makes us 786.97 per day on Autopilot. Here's how you can clone our simple 3-step automated system, dear friend. If you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. Claim your 7-figure commission system before the timer hits 0. Designed to generate $100, $500 per day or more using the following platforms. What is the 7-figure commission system? The 7-figure commission system is your opportunity to license a brand new online system that makes over 7 figures in commissions per year for the creator. Myself, Glenn, and the team have created an entirely new method and system that makes us at least $100, $500 in commissions per day. What's more, you don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or any online business to have success. With this system, the 7-figure commission system has everything you need, and the majority of the system is done for you. Get access to the system created by a millionaire that generates thousands per day. I've developed a secret system that allows us to make 7 figures per year by giving products away for free. More on that later. Once you purchase your license to this system, all you do is plug in your information and affiliate links into the system and we'll do the rest for you. My team and I make at least $100 to $500 per day using this never-before-seen system. This is an extremely unique system that combines free products, low-ticket products, and high-ticket products that we connect together using our proprietary in-house triple-lock commission funnels. You see, until now, there was only one path to making money online and reaching $100, $500 per day the old way. How does it work? I developed a system that generates sales and commissions automatically into our commission accounts. Once you grab your license, all you do is plug in your affiliate link, configure a few settings, and the rest is done for you. My team and I are earning massive commissions the minute we give products away for free. Yes, I said free. You may not have heard about this kind of system before, because it's unique and we invented it. Why am I doing this for you? I know what it's like to struggle. Just a few short years ago I was an assistant land surveyor, pressing buttons on a machine for $4 an hour, whilst battling some of the most horrendous weather conditions. You're probably struggling right now, just like I was back then, and I want that to change, starting today. Dear friend, if you want to buy this product, then visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.